Is it an overreaction or legitimate concern for creators? Recently, CapCut made some updates to its terms of service, and there were some language used that got some attention. Enough so that CapCut released the following. So what's the confusion? Amidst the update, there's been some confusion around the pre-existing legal language and our terms around user-generated content. Some people are concerned this may give CapCut broad rights to use or monetize your content or likeness without your permission. This is not the case, and would go against our commitment to empowering authentic creativity and supporting creators' rights. Like many platforms, our terms only cover the basic rights needed to legally provide the basic CapCut services you enjoy, like customizing and sharing templates for others to use and build from, or enabling people to download or repost your content so you can grow your audience. To explain this in the legal language, our terms include: CapCut needs permission to store, format, and display content across the platform, have other community members adapt, modify, or create derivative works from shared templates, and transmit or distribute content by downloading or sharing. Terms like irrevocable and perpetual exist because once content such as a template is shared and used by others, we can't undo every instance of reuse or remixing across the platform or internet. This helps the platform function consistently. So I put my reporter hat on and did a little research to better understand these technical words often used in legal. And that's when I stumbled upon this response from isaboke law firm. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to read it in its entirety. These are the sections that stuck out to me. 1. Does CapCut own my videos? No. You retain copyright ownership of your videos. However, by uploading or editing in CapCut, you automatically grant them a perpetual license to use it however they want, worldwide and royalty-free. If you're building a personal brand, this may clash with your personal brand protection or entertainment agreements. 2. Do I waive any personal rights? Yes. By using CapCut, you waive the right to review or approve how your content is used. Allow use of your name, image, and likeness. Can be identified as the creator without being paid. This has real consequences for creators who usually rely on gig and influencer agreements or media production contracts to manage how their image and content are used. 3. Final takeaway. CapCut's 2025 update reflects a broader trend in digital platforms. Creators exchange ease of use for surrendering content rights. For anyone serious about brand integrity, client exclusivity, or monetization, reading the fine print matters more than ever. 4. What should creators do next? Tips for smart creators: 1. Full control. Export your final cut and publish outside CapCut. Still using CapCut? Assume they may use your finished work elsewhere. Prefer safer terms? Try DIY editors with creator-first TOS like DaVinci Resolve, VN, or CapCut alternatives. Now, to answer the question of, was it an overreaction or legitimate concern for creators? That really depends on what your end goal is. If you don't care because you're just creating videos for fun, then I wouldn't sweat it. However, if you're playing the long game and eventually want to create a brand or monetize from making videos, I would take a moment, and if you're looking for alternatives, you definitely want to subscribe, because the next series of shorts will talk about some of those alternatives and the one we use. Plus, shorts designed to guide absolute beginners through the fundamentals.